Hey, what is up everyone? Flash from Flash Hobbies, and today we have an unboxing of a new lipo. So I was contacted by a company. They're new to the RC game and they're trying to get their name out there, so they sent me this battery for review. Let's go ahead and check it out. This did come from Amazon and I do have Prime shipping, so I got this in 2 days. So this is how it comes. It does come labeled as what kind of battery it is. And they do have 2 and 3S available in the 5200 milliamp. Just kind of depends on what you need it for. And it just comes with a manual, safety instructions. The company name is Povway or Povway. I'm not really entirely sure how you say it. But like I said, they're fairly new to the game, so they're trying to get their name out there. Alright, and here it is. This is a 3S hard pack. 11.1 volt with a 50C burst, 5200 milliamp. Overall presentation is really nice. I chose one with the Dean's connector because that's most of mine run Traxxas or Dean's plug or a T connector, whatever they call it. Again, this is a hard case, and I do like that it comes kind of wrapped with this plastic. It kind of helps keep it in if it does try to swell up on you. And one thing I do notice is that this is kind of similar to some of the other companies that are out there. For example, I have this Avonic 5200 milliamp 3S. As you can see, it's basically identical, same battery, different branding possibly. So I'm not sure if they're using the same suppliers or not. It's the same exact size, both width, height. Basically everything's the same except the packaging or the labeling, the way it's marketed. Now I have used this 5200 Avonic several times, and it does fairly well. It gives off enough power, balances just fine. So I haven't had any issues with it. I've had it for over 6 months now. So I'm expecting the same kind of quality from this other battery. As the time of this recording, this battery sells for $32.99 with Prime shipping if you have it. The price might go up, might go down, not sure. But that's just as the time of this recording. And I will leave a link in the description below. I don't make anything off of it. Just if you are interested in this battery, that's the link where I got it from. Enough talking, let's put this battery to the test, shall we? So first things first, I'm going to put my LiPo checker on there. And it's balanced at 3.90 for all 3 cells, and it's registering a 61% battery, so definitely need some charge before you go out into the field and use it. Alright, that was really quick. With the balance charger, I am up to 99%, 4.19, 4.18 on the other two. Looks like everything is ready to go, and this took about 15 minutes or so to charge, so very, very quick to balance out. Alright, we're at 12.6, ready to go, baby. Well, as you guys saw, the battery performed pretty well, and I actually got about almost 4 miles out of this crawler. So it was probably about approximately maybe 2 hours, maybe a little bit more than 2 hours of trail riding. Nothing too heavy as far as terrain goes, or, you know, inclines, rocks and stuff like that. It was little things here and there, but overall it was just straight trails. So far this has my thumbs up, no problems. It rebalanced perfectly as well. So I do expect it to continue performing the way it's supposed to. I'm really happy I got a chance to show you guys this battery. So if you are interested, like I said, it's down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. That's going to do it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hit notifications for all the updates.